Hey Planner Babes, how are y'all doing? Alright, so we're going to start off. We're going to start with these. I'm going to use these Happy Planner stickers, as you guys can see here. And I will be planning, as you guys can see, this November, and you guys can see I have not planned for a minute. Okay, my fault, y'all. Alright, so we starting, here we are in November, and I'm going to do kind of like a back planning type deal. So yeah, so we're going to start with Thanksgiving. I hope y'all had a wonderful, nice, Thanksgiving with your family and things of that sort. If you don't celebrate it, even though, I hope you were safe and things of that sort, especially on Black Friday. I heard a lot of stories and saw a lot of videos, and they were not good. So I hope y'all were safe, okay? And that's basically about that. So I'm putting down a busy afternoon. I'm putting down a little, stickers. I need to buy some dolls because I don't have any dolls, y'all. Like, I need to. Like, it's like a little cutesy, and but I'm just gonna work with what I have. I'm gonna purchase some from Etsy. I put it in the cart, but I did not purchase it yet. So I think because I forgot about it. So I definitely will be going back there so I get the dolls, because I need to invest in that. But that's basically about that. But yeah, so my spread is going to look a little skimpy. So I apologize about that, because I'm kind of back planning a little bit, and plus I was kind of rushing. But my plan for the next week's planner is going to look even better, because I planning for the full week, and I had more, I put more time into it. Not saying I was like, I didn't put really time into this, but again, it was the end of the week, so it's just like, but it's okay. Like that, that UGH that I put, yeah. So, but that's basically about that. And I'm putting down the water sign, just to motivate you to, drink water, even though you're supposed to drink water and everything. But just a reminder. All right, so I'll be doing this week. That'll be on Monday, so you guys will see that. And that's basically it. So I'm going to write down my hieroglyphics, as you guys will see. You guys know I cannot write, so do not judge me. That's basically about that. And yeah, so I will be doing more planning, and I know there are new subscribees from the planner community, so I definitely will keep doing this. I don't want to let you guys down. And I also have support from family and friends that keep me on my toes as well. And a lot of the planner babes in the community definitely keeps me motivated, the ones that I follow and things of that sort, because I watch their videos. So, so I like that motivation. It's very cool. And the ladies here in the community are very, very awesome. So yeah, so that's basically about that. So I really do appreciate them. But yeah, so that's basically that. I'll be back with like my regular planner, my mini planner, and things of that sort. So yeah, so that's basically it, you guys. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to ask. That's how the thing is marketing. That's everything.